In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your straight punches to the body. I want to get to the body early and often. To do that, but to stay at safe distance from my opponent when his reflexes are sharpest, he's in condition, I want to use my straight punches so I can step in and out of range and I'm less likely to get counterattacked. So I'm able to use my 9 and my 8 from long range. When I use my straight punches to the body, the same mechanics and rules apply when I'm punching to the head. When I throw my jab, non-punching hand squeezes tight for defense. The shoulder of my punching arm is protecting me on my other side and my chin is down. On the rear hand, shoulder protects me for defense, chin down, non-punching hand is squeezed nice and tight. The only difference is when I throw my body shots is I'm gonna bend my legs and change my level. So I'm gonna bend my legs, go down. Now I'm able to land a body shot and get out of range. I want to use these body shots early in the fight when my opponent is still fresh and they may be able to counter me. Because when you throw the hooks to the body, I'm more in my opponent's punching range where he can hit me with counterattacks. So the straight punches allow me to stay at a safer distance, but still invest in going to the body early in the fight. These body punches are something that needs to be practiced so you can work on your timing and your technique. Setting up to the jab to the body, I want to stay long range when I'm throwing my shot. Basically steal shots early in the fight. I touch him here and I can step out. Here and I can step out. Now, I want to practice this a bunch of times in sparring. One of the issues I know you guys may have getting countered over the top when you're trying to throw the lead hand to your opponent's body. Very common. That's why it's important to practice on the bag during shadowboxing. If you find it keep happening in sparring and competition, then you're going to set up with a quick jab to the head first. My jab can set up both of these punches. Up, down. So it's quick, hard, and step out. With the rear hand, I recommend to always use the jab to set it up. I'm gonna drop down behind my jab to the head. It's a quick jab as it disguises me dropping down. And then I turn the straight right hand and then I can step out of range. Or as I prefer you to add punches to that combination. So there you have it, guys. Leave any questions in my comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stick around because I'm going to show you some combinations that I like to use when setting up the straight shots to the body.